स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः प्रज्ञानां शुक्रतानैस्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगांस्तविष्टान् पुनरभिधिषणोत् भासितान् कामजन्यान् ईक्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुम् मायया भोजयन्नः माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजम् ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राच्य भोगान् सविष्टान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमति विभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगत गुणगण पार्वसौ न स्तुरीयः
Karikatu
दक्षिणाक्षिमुखे विश्वः मनस्यन्तस्तु तैजसः आकाशे च हृदि प्राज्ञः त्रिधा देहे व्यवस्थितः
भाष्य कथम प्राण शब्दत्वम अव्याकृतस्य
कथम प्राण शब्दत्वम अव्याकृतस्य प्राणबन्धनं हि सौम्य मनः इति श्रुतेः.
This is what we are seeing. See, in the context of mantra 6, where prajna was identified with the Ishvara, also Avyakrita was told. There, a quotation was cited from Chandogya. On Kailasashram, it is 28th page. In your this thing, before the bhashya of 6th mantra over, about 2-3 sentences earlier. Pranabandhanam hi soumya manaha. Soumya, with that soumya, Shvetaketu, Udalaka's son, what is his son? Manaha, Manaha stands there for Jiva. Pranabandhanam, Pranasya adhinam. Bandhanam is what? Adhinam. Jiva is under the control of prana, in the sense jiva depends on prana, and that prana, what is prana now, doubt is raised. Says it was equated, that prajna was equated there to Ishvara, Avyakrita. Now when you say prana, what is your concept of prana? Pancha pranas, the 5 vital airs, is it not? Now, how come Avyakrita or Ishvara be prana? When the prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, This is what is the functions, the physiological functions of the body is what prana. How do you equate it to Avyakruta or Ishvara? Valid doubt or not? Sure. That means the Pura Paksha is taking our side now. So now this is, so look, that is the question. Katham, this is Avyakritasya. And now come and tell me what is Avyakrita. I want bhashya. ये लगाओ नहीं चलेगा. देश काला भाव. Where there is absence of what? Desha Vishesha, Kala Vishesha. That is, time factor is the place factor is not there, time factor is not there. That is what is the definition of what? Avyakrita. That was true. So that is, this Avyakrita says, Prana Shabdatvam Katham. How do you say Avyakrita? Prana stands for Avyakrita. Because we know for certain, prana means pancha pranas, 5 physiological functions. They are always in the in terms of karya, kriya. How is it? For this is the question. Answer is that earlier Chandogya quotation is given. Prana bandhanam hi somya manaha. Manaha, yes, manaha stands for jiva. O somya, O shvetaketu. This mana, jiva, is prana bandhanam. And that prana is Sadakhya Devata. Sadakhya Paradevata. In Chandogya, Sat is called as what? Paradevata. Paradevata means what? Not simply Devata, highest one, Paramatma. Sat Swarupa Aksha Brahma Paramatma. So that is Sadakhya Paradevata Prana Bandhanam. Means Jiva is under the control or dependent upon who? Sat Swarupa Brahma. That is what is there. Iti Shruti. Now Shruti says by the word prana as Sat Swarupa Brahma. From our Vyavahara, we say prana as what? Pancha prana. Which of the two you have to hold up now? Why Shruti? Higher pramana, the last pramana. So that is what? Last pramana. So therefore say, yes, but Shruti says so. Now you may say, how can Shruti say so? Shruti can't say arbitrarily like that. Beginning now. Who has told this? Shruti. Now it is established that what Shruti says is correct. So for which further discussion takes place. Continuing.
Nanu tatra sadeva somya iti prakrutam sad brahma prana shabda vachyam.
No. So answer was what? It is, that is under jiva, is under the control of who? Prana. And prana is who? Sat Swarup Brahma we have seen. Pura Paksha objects, sir, this prana that you are referring is not Pancha Prana. It is what? Sat Brahma. How do you say so? Says, look, while ascertaining the meaning of any Vakya statement of the Shruti Vedas, you can't just translate that. You have to see the context. Upakrama, Upasamhara, Abhyasa, Arthavada, Phala, etc. The criteria are there. So therefore, Upakrama here in this is from by Uddalaka. Somya, Sadeva Somya Idam Agra Asi. Idam Jagat. Agra, there is Sandhi Agras. Agre. What is Agre? Srishte Prak. Before the creation. See? What was that? Sat Eva Asi. this Srishti, before it came into existence, was what? Only Sat Brahma. So which topic has started? Sat Brahma. So that topic is will happen, it will continue afterwards. So that's it. Sadeva Someti Prakrutam Sat Brahma. Prakrutam is the topic under discussion. The topic under discussion in the context of the quotation that you gave, what is that? Prana bandhanam visome manaha refers to that, Sat refers to what? Sadev, Prana refers to Sadeva Somya, if you want, Chandogya 6:2-1. So, Mana, iti prakritam, the topic under discussion, what is it? Sat Brahma. Sat Brahma called as what? Sat. In Chandogya, that is, Brahma is called as what? Sat. Where? In 6th chapter. In 7th chapter, Brahma is called as Bhuma. Bhuma. Bhuma means what? Analpam. Anantam. This is Ananda Swarup. So that is it. So they say, Sat Brahma, Prana Shabda Vachyam. That is what is called Prana. It is not Pancha Prana. So that is what Purva Paksha's argument, for which answer is given by now Siddhanti. Naisha dosha.
Na esha dosha.
First, he says, sir, this is not a defect. What is not a defect? I agree. What I agree? Topic is started with what? Sat Brahma. And I do maintain that it is Sat Brahma means what? Sat Brahma only. It means Sat Brahma only. So how is it so? Is now going to be established.
Bijatmakatva vyupagamat Sataha.
That Sat, which Sat? Sadeva Somya Idamagrasi. That Sat, do you know what Sat it is? Sat with Bija. What is Bija? Seed means what seed? Cause of what? Srishti. Cause of creation. So, that Sat Eva Somya Idamagari refers to Sat Brahma endowed with cause of Srishti. What is the cause of Srishti? You can say Maya or Avyakritam. Maya or Avyakritam. Say Bijatmakatva, Bijagatva, Abhipagama. Abhipagama is acceptance. So that is Sataha, the Sat used in Sadeva Somya Idamagrasi that you pointed out is what? Is the Sat Brahma endowed with, coupled with the Bija, the cause of Srishti. You call it as Maya or Avidya, Ajnana. See, actually, generally, how do you define Ishvara? Tato Maya Upadhi Upahita Chaitanya. How do you define Jiva? Avidya Upadhi Upahita. This is for बच्चे लोगों के लिए. Actually, there is nothing called avidya different from who? Maya. But for an easy understanding, for a novice, it is said what? Chaitanya conditioned by Maya is what? Ishvara. Chaitanya conditioned by avidya is who? Jiva. How do you say there is no difference? Vidyaranya Muni accept this. Accept means he is using this Maya and avidya. But he had made it very clear that avidya is not different from what? Maya. How? Prakriti, Trigunaatmika, Prakriti, in which Sattva Pradhana Prakriti is Maya, Rajastama Pradhana Prakriti is what? Avidya. And afterwards says, so Jiva, Ishvara are product of what? Maya. Cause is what? One and the same? Maya. 7th chapter it says, So, Maya Kamadheno Jiveshwarau Vatsau. No, Vatsa? Offspring. See, if you compare Maya to a Kamadhenu, what is Kamadhenu? Wish fulfilling heavenly cow, a divine cow which is wish fulfilling. If you had, how it would have been? Good? Good? Bad? No, some say good, some say bad. What? Or both good and bad. Good, bad. It depends on yourself. What you are. It depends on how you make use. That's all. If you make good use of that, it will be good. If you make bad use, if you are negligent, you are not alert, it will harm you. You know that? What is that? Lokpal and Dhanpal story? Many times I told. Lokpal and Dhanpal. I don't know if it's a real story or but that is in currency it is there. Once a Mahatma Sadhu, Parivrajaka wandering, sun was setting, so he wanted a place to rest in the night. So he saw a big mansion, Bada Bangla, big mansion. So rich person, he went so that he will get some shelter in the night. So he knocked the door from first floor. Who is that? No, I am so and so. I want little shelter in the night. Nothing here. This is not a hotel or anything. Go. Of course, he was not offended because he was habituated to such reply. He was habituated to such reply. And he was, because he was unmindful about that, he went. Next was a small hut. So he went there because he wanted just a place to lie down, that's all. He went there. He said, she saw some sadhu in there. They welcome. He said, what can I do? No, nothing more. Just I want to lie down here. Yes. But he apologized. Sir, we have nothing to give you for eating. A little half roti is there. Will you mind having that? No, don't bother. Give it to me. So he ate. And night, they sat for satsang, etc. Good satsang was there. And he slept. Early morning he woke up. He said, I'm going. Then he asked that poor man, said, what you would like to have? I don't want anything. I'm blessed by your presence. I don't want anything. No, you will need something. Think of it. No, I don't really need at all. Bhagavan is taking care of me, etc. Look, something will need. So, still he was not asking. Then he said, look, you are so hospitable. You don't have money, etc. I will give you plenty and prosperity. At least take care of who? The pilgrims and all, atithis, the guests. And the hut got transformed into a palace with plenty of everything. He went to Lokpal. Dhanpal got up in the morning and he began to, what is this? Where am I? How come this palace has come here? He could not recognize, he knows what was there? Hut was there. Then he ascertained it is in the same place where the small hut was. Then he suspected, what is that? That Mahatma is not an ordinary person. He must have blessed him, etc. Meanwhile, his wife also came. He said, it must be the blessing of who? Mahatma only. But wife was very sure. Say, look, these Mahatmas are kind-hearted. And what you do is, he will be walking and going. You take your Mercedes car. And then what? Go somewhere at the outskirts of the town or something, he will be there. And apologize him and then what? Get boons from him. Dhanpal was convinced. He went. And he found that he is what? By the time it was noon, he is resting under a tree. So he went and apologized. So he was not bothered about that. Don't worry, nothing, I am not angry with you, nothing like that. But he apologized again and again. Slowly the rat came out. What is that? Mahatmaji, give me also. Well, ask for it. See, ask for it. Says, 3 boons I will give it. Now he thought, see, 3 boons means you have to encash properly. Just ask me what you should encash for the maximum thing, etc. So he said, Mahatmaji, I will think over it and then ask for it. Tathastu, he said. Whatever he wishes will come true. So that he was returning. On the road, the car failed. Mercedes. He could not. Cell phones were not there. So he could not think it. He tried something, etc. And in the sun, always in the AC room he was there, and the sun, etc., etc., etc. So, he said, instead of having such a car, better this car gets burnt, he said. The car went into place. Why? Boons are there. He wished that. And now he has to walk down in the sun, etc. He thought, look, I am sweating and toiling. My wife is enjoying that in the home, etc. I wish the house was on fire and she was out. House went on fire. Lokpal saw, came running and rescued the wife. By that time, that she was, more portion was burned. He reached and saw the plight of the wife and the home. Said, my God, instead of living like this, I would have, better I become, instead of seeing all these things, better I become a blind. Whatever. Next moment he became blind. And they say, he is still sitting somewhere. Is that the Mahatma? If anyone walking and the footsteps are seen, is that the Mahatma? Is that the Mahatma? Gone off. Is that the Mahatma? I've heard this is a very interesting story. So that is there. Kamadhenu is good, provided you have got viveka. You make proper use, otherwise it can be dangerous. That's how you see, even money in the hands of a dharmic person is good. In the hands of adharmic, it is a treacherous it is. So that is how it is. So that is that. So says that is Bijatmaka Abhyagama Sataha. So that is how is the word. This Sat Brahma, so which is Sadeva Somya, as what the topic began, is what along with the Bija. What Bija? Maya Bija. Maya Bija, what say? Maya Kamadhenvoho Jiveshwarau Vatsau. Of Kamadhenu called Maya, the divine heavenly cow which fulfills all desires. Of such a cow, Jiva and Ishvara are cows. Who is the cause of these 2 cows? And who are those cows? Jiva and Ishvara. What is the cause? Maya. So therefore both are product of what? One and the same Maya. One and the same Maya. So that's how you say. So that being the case, that Bijatmakatva Abhyogama It is when you say Sadeva Somya, that Sat mentioned in the Chandogya is endowed with the cause of Srishti in the form of Maya. This is further explained.
यद्यपि सद ब्रह्म प्राण शब्द वाच्यम तत्र तथापि जीव प्रसव बीजात्मकत्वम अपरित्यज्यैव प्राण शब्द वाच्यत्वम सतः सत् शब्द वाच्यता च.
Yeah, you can take Anvaya. See such big sentences, if you take Anvaya, it becomes easier to understand provided what? There's some knowledge of Sanskrit. Yadyapi tatra prana, put this word prana in inverted comma. Tatra prana shabda vachyam. You can take prana shabda vachyam as prana shabdasya vachyam. Shashti tat purusha. Sad brahma tathapi. Continue. Jiva prasava bijatmakatvam aparityajya eva. If you want, add there Sad Brahmani, Prana Shabda. It can be Prana Shabdatvam or Prana Vachyatvam. Alternate pathantaras are there. Different pathas are there. Different readings are there. It can be Prana Shabda Shabdatvam or Prana Shabda Vachyatvam. Why? Sataha Sat Shabda Vachyata cha. So now he says, Yadyapi, even though, Tatra. Where is that Tatra? In the Prana Bandhanam Nisome Manaha, this Vakya, Chandogya 6:8-2. I had told the context of this statement. What is the context? A bird is tied to one leg. Other end of the string, the hunter is holding. This bird flies hither, thither, etc., gets tired and comes and sits on the hand or the shoulder of the hunter. Other example is what? A ship in the deep sea. On the mast, the birds perch, and because the ship is there for many days in the sea. So they are not trees, etc. So what the daytime, the birds go here and there in the sea. Finally, in the night, they come and perch there. Like this jiva, with jiva, we. What do they? Once we wake up, what do? We do many things in the world. And afterwards, night, depending on whatever the condition of the individual is there, we return and then what you do? We sleep. Where we sleep? I don't want to cot and all those things. In sleep, where is the jiva? Sat. Swam apiti iti swapiti. In sleep, wherever the jiva I is, that is Sat Brahma. Problem is what? I don't know. If that ignorance were not there, do you know what from liberation, what you have to do? Sleep. A newly born child will be Jivan Mukta of 6th stage. 6 days. Because it doesn't get up so easily as such. So is it so? But that you are with Brahma, one with Brahma, along with avidya, ignorance, and that ignorance pushes you back, throws you back in the, either in the dream or in the waking. But where do you perch? Brahma. That's what is there. With the help of Shakuni. Shakuni is what? Bird. With the help of bird. Shakuni is there. Other Shakuni is who? Kaurava's maternal uncle. Of course, I'm just a little digressing, but I don't know if it's true or not, I don't know. It seems there was one movie that, in fact, if you have come across, you can tell me, but somebody told me. A movie wherein Krishna goes to Hastinapura. And Pandavas, after the Mahabharata war, the Kauravas were no more, Dharmaraja was ruling, and the Pandavas are very happy, and they gave him a gift of a mirror. And with that, he returned to Dwarka. And he told, look, Pandavas have given me this mirror, such a beautiful mirror. But one thing, you know what is the speciality of this mirror? Whether Krishna made it or it was when they give us, that is not clear. When you look into the mirror, you are not going to see your face, but what you see is whatever that is most dear to you. So all were curious. So that's now one by one with it. Satyabhama was called. And he saw, you know what that? Gold. She was after gold. Balarama was called. You know who we saw? Duryodhana. Because Duryodhana was his pet disciple. So he was very fond of him. Rukmini was called. Krishna. All are you. Krishna, you see yourself. Look, you people will be in for surprise. I won't mind seeing, but you people will be surprised. No. He saw, you know, who was that? Shakuni. How come? Krishna was loving Shakuni. You know, Shakuni did a lot of Krishna's work. What are the work? If Mahabharata war were not there, his mission is failed. You want a Dushta Samhara. For Mahabharata war, number one, Kauravas must be Dushta. Otherwise, who is the mother? Gandhari, not ordinary lady. They would have been other Pandavas. And all gambling and all, and you know what is it. So, I don't know, is really so, or anybody has come across this story? First time I heard, anyway, Shakuni. But here our Shakuni is who? Bird. There's nothing to do with Mando Ketarika. I wanted to know whether you people, anyone knows about this story, etc. But one thing, that movie was played in front of a very great person. He didn't comment anything. Who knows everything? He didn't comment anything about that, but you will see, etc. Others also saw it. Now you say, just as a bird flies hither and thither and comes to the place of its tying, so like this, so Jiva goes here and comes back to Prana. Which Prana? Sadakhya Paradevata Brahma. So therefore, Yadyapi, even though Tatra means Prana Bandhanam hi Somya Manaha. So that is Somya. This Manaha stands for Jiva, is what? Adhina, under a control or dependent on what? Prana. What Prana? Sat Sarupa Brahma. तत्र प्राण शब्दस्य वाच्यं सद ब्रह्म. True, in that statement, vachya, the literal meaning of the word prana is what? Sat Brahma. Agreed. Agreed. Tathapi, even then, jiva prasava bijatmakatvam aparityajya eva. That prana word, aparityajya, without giving up, Jiva prasava bijatmaka. Here jiva is not simply jiva, it indicates entire jagat, srishti. Jiva upalakshana, indicatory word for srishti. So srishti prasava bija. What is prasava? Utpatti. Bija, the cause, bijatmakam. Bijatmakatvam aparityajya. Without giving up means with the cause of Jagat. When that's Sat Brahma is what? No doubt Satchidananda Brahma, Satyam Jnanavanta Brahma, but along with what? What is that? Prasava Bija, Maya, that is what is there. Aparityajya. So, with that, Sat Brahmani, we have to add there, with respect, meaning the Sat Brahma, the Prana Shabdatvam, the status of word Prana or Prana word is used, or Prana Shabda Vachyam, the literal meaning of the word Prana is what? Now, only this much you understand. Prana word in that statement, Prana Bandhana Nisome Manaha is Sat Brahma along with the Maya, the cause of Srishti. That's all, nothing more than that. So that is how, therefore, it says, Sataha Sat Shabda Vachyata. Vachyata, usage, prayoga of Sataha means of Sat. What is that? Along with Jiva Prasava Bijatmakatva. That word is Sat is what? Along with that is the cause of Jiva here stands for entire Srishti. Means Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit or Prana Bandhana Misomya Manaha. Here Prana stands for Sat and that Sat stands for what? Brahma along with cause of Jagat. This is what it is. Now, sir, how do you say so? Why should it not be without the Prasava Bija? Why that Sat Brahma cannot be without the Bija of Srishti? How do you justify that it is with the? Is it anywhere told or footnote given? Anywhere Chandogya it is not told that Sat Brahma is Prasava Bijatmaka. And you are said with the Prasava Bija. Please justify it. So that discussion is now going on.
Yadi nirbija rupam vivakshitam brahma bhavishyat neti neti yato vacho nivartante anyadeva tadvitiyat anyadeva tadvitiyat tadviditat atho aviditat
iti avakshat. So look, if you argue, how do you say that it is meant with what? Prasava Bija. I say, if it were not with Maya or the cause of Jagat, Shruti should have told this in terms of these phrases. What are those? Yadi. Yadi means that if that Sat Brahma were Nirupadhika Brahma and not Sopadhika Brahma, When you say Sat is along with the cause of the Jagat, Sopadhika, Nirupadhika, Upadhi. And what is Upadhi? Maya. Maya. Prakriti, Maya, Avyakta, whatever you call it. That is it. If it were not, then what will happen? That Sat should be Nirupadhika. If Nirupadhika were there, Shruti should have told such statements. Yadihi Nirbija Rupam. Nirbija Rupam means Nirupadhiswarupam. That Sat were Brahma free from Upadhi, namely Maya, Vivakshitam Brahma with a Abhavishyat. Vivakshitam means Vaktum Ichchitam. If it were intended by Shruti to tell you the Brahma without Upadhi, without Maya, that is by the word Sat, Brahma, Vivakshitam Brahma Abhavishyat. Nirbija Rupam Vivakshitam Brahma Abhavishyat. If it were so, that what Shruti intended was to tell you Brahma without the Maya Upadhi, that Nirupadhika, then Shruti should have told like this. What is that? Neti Neti. Brihadaranyaka 4:4:22 and 4:5:15. Should have told what? Neti Neti. You know what is Neti Neti? Everybody quotes Neti Neti. Na iti, na iti. Whatever idam is available, tad brahmana. Anything you can specify as this, it is not Brahma. And what you can specify as this? Drishya. What else you are? Drishya. So that is it. Now, Maya is Drishya or Drik? Drishya. Come on, prove. Come on, prove. You say, I don't know what Brahma is. What I don't know is what? Avidya or Maya. Experience. Universally experienced as such. So that is Neti, Neti. Anything available as this is what? Is not Brahma. And what is that? It eliminates even the Maya, which is Jiva Prasava Bija. Jiva Prasava Bija. Bija. It eliminates. See, that is one thing. It would have been like that. Or Yato Vacho Nivartante, it should have been. Yato Vacho Nivartante Aprapya Manasasah. Yataha Brahmanaha Sataha Vachaha Shabdas, the words. Nivartante, they return without being able to objectify, without sin. A word has got the capacity to describe a thing, is it not? Now, that is, words, Brahma, should describe what it means. Car is a word, but there is an entity, a vehicle called what? Car. That is Brahma. What it signifies? What is this? So much of Vedanta taught and you are questioning the word Brahma. How dare you question the word Brahma? It is for convenience we are using the word Brahma. In the real nature of Brahma, even if you say Brahma, you are foul. You know, in sports, foul. Why? Brahma means the big. In Brahma, that big means what should be there? Small. In Brahma, neither small is there, nor big is there. Even if you say Advaya, you know, Advaya with respect to what? Dvaya. In Brahma, Advaya. So therefore, don't quarrel Dvaita, Advaita. In Brahma, neither Dvaita is there nor Advaita is there. But you are now steeped in Dvaita and you suffer. Therefore, the Shastra uses the word what? Advaita. And afterward, you have to get past that also. If you have doubt, if you want more explanation, read my Brahma Sutra commentary. At the end of epilogue, given how Vedanta teaching operates as told by Vasishtha in Yoga Vasishtha. Laukika, then the Shastra, and then beyond all this thing. When beyond all this thing, your word Brahma also is what? Drops off. Advaya also drops off. That is what. So yato vate, that means aprapya manasasa, even mind is not able to objectify Brahma. Means words and mind have no access in Brahma. They cannot describe or objectify Brahma. When provided this avidya bija is not there. Again, Kenopanishad 1:3. This is Taittiriya 2:9. The Kena. Anyadeva tad viditat atho aviditat. You know what that Brahma is? Anyat, distinct from what? Viditat. Anything that you know as this. The entire Jagat is there. Which Jagat? Manifest Jagat, Karya Rupa Jagat. But there is something avidita, avyakta, unmanifest, not known as this. It is distinct from that also. Brahma is distinct from the known effect Karya Rupa Jagat and unknown its cause avyakrita unmanifest. Therefore, the bija, prasava bija is not there. You should do. Iti avaksha. This is what Shruti. Again, what Bhagavad Gita says, what Lord Krishna says about that.
No sat, no asat, uchyate. It is smrute.
Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 12th verse. Tathacha, so also, this is what Bhagavan says in the Bhagavad Gita. That, what is that? So, Brahma, na sat. Now be careful about this word sat. This is not Chandogya sat. This sat is what? Abhivyakta nama rupa. Which is available in the world with a name and a form. Form means not only optical form. Form means that the feature by which a thing is known as a thing. Fire. Fire is the word. What is the form? Something which is the word, which is heat, which has got heat, which gives the light. So that. So that is sat. No asad uchyate. It is not karana prakriti also. See, these words, be very careful. Sat, asat, etc. Brahma is neither the karya rupa jagat manifest word nor asat, that is karana prakriti. Iti smrute. Now a very interesting argument comes. Now if you say what Bhashyakara said, Bhashyakara and Siddhanta said what? Sadeva Somya, that Sat word is with the cause of the Srishti creation. Only take this much. If it were not with the cause of Srishti, what will happen? Other we know. First it justified what? Sat in Sadeva Somya is with the cause of the Srishti, Maya, what Prakriti, Avyagya, whatever you call it. He justified by quoting so many Shruti and Smriti. If it were not so, means Sadeva Somya, this statement were to specify Nirupadhika Brahma, like told where Neti Neti, Yato Vacho Nivartante, Anya Devata. If it were so, he said, what will happen? Let us see.
निर्बीजतया एव चेत् सति हीनानां सम्पन्नानां सुषुप्त प्रलययोः पुनरुत्थानानुपपत्तिः स्यात्
निर्बीजतया चेत सति लीना. If Sadeva Somya or Prana Bandhanam is Somya, it were not the Sat with the Bija of Srishti, will say Sati Linana. Look here. Jiva and Srishti merges in Sat Brahma at twice. Twice means in two states. Two, not twice. Two states. What is the state? One state is deep sleep. Other state is Pralaya. In sleep, Jagat, individual Jagat what merges in the Sat Brahma. In Pralaya, entire Srishti merges where in that. Now, that Brahma is with Bija or without Bija. How do you say with Bija? Prove it. Again we wake up. Again from Pralaya Srishti comes. Suppose if it were Nirbija, what would have happened? Be careful today before sleeping, be careful today. What? Tomorrow morning? You're not coming out. And once Srishti Pralaya took place, no more Srishti. Is it so? So what you have to assume now? It is Sabija, with the Bija, with the cause of Srishti and not without the cause. One argument. Understood? Pakka. Nirbijataya eva, that is, without the bija, cause, maya, or cause of Srishti, sati, in Brahma, Sat Brahmani, Sat Vastuni, Leenanam, those who are merged, that is in the sleep, Sampannanam, those who are merged in the Pralaya, Sushupta Pralayoho, Sampanna, Sushupta, a Pralaya also, that Srishti, not only that Srishti, is Pralaya also in Marana, and death. In death, the individual jiva is not there. But he takes rebirth or not, means cause is there. Without cause it can't be. So that is pralayoho, that is in the sleep and this. It can be taken as actual dissolution also. It can be applied there. Punarutthananupapattihi syat. The emerging back from that will take, we will with what? Anupapattihi will not be possible. In sleep, when you merge in Sat, if cause of further revival is not there, it is the end of it. In Marana, if the Bija is not there, rebirth is not there. In dissolution, if then the Srishti is not there. Not only that, other problem will come. Bigger problem will come. At least this will be a good, so we can say goodbye for samsara. What is the bigger problem? When a jnani gets videha mukti, ignorance is there or not? Is not there. Here, without maya, without cause, they are born. Jnani has no ignorance, still he will be born. Understood? When you get jnana? When you get? When ajnana ends, ignorance ends. Jnanena hi ajnana, that is what is it. So by jnana, ajnana you destroy. Now, with so much of effort, viveka, vairagya, shamadamadi, shatka sampatti, munukshutva, antakarana shuddhi, Sunday classes, Sunday evening classes, all this, nididhyasana, can't sit properly, but still nididhyasana. With that, Abba, what is that? Jnana got and moksha got. And thought that, now Vidya Mukti also got. After 9 months, where? Maternity nursing home. This fellow is where? In the maternity nursing home, in the cradle, crying. What is the use? What is the use of all this Vedanta? You can get the knowledge, you get moksha, only to be there. Because see, state of moksha is equal to Brahma without ignorance. And here, from Nirbija, if the revival is there, the one who is Jivan Mukta, who has Vidya Mukti, he also should come. Is it so? How do you say? Shastras, Upanishads. Otherwise, close Vedanta and then what? Whatever your Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, which time pass. Somehow, no, they say lifespan is fixed. Well, somehow bitao. But that will not end there. Again, whatever rebirth is going to be. It is not as per the Shastra. Shastra says, once Vidya Mukti is there, there is no return. That is what says. Muktanam cha.
Muktanam cha. Punarutpatti prasangaha.
We have seen, we are not ready, that's all. Muktanam, those jnanis whose prarabdha is over, and then what? That Sukh Sharira has got disintegrated, and they thought Brahma Sarupa, again what? What is that? Punarutpatti prasanga, means Punarjanma will be there. How do you say so? Reason is given.
Bija bhava vishesha.
Bija is a compound. Bija bhavasya avishesha. Common factor. What is the common factor? Bijasya abhava. There, from Sat Brahma, without Bija, Punaruthana is there. That is what coming out is there. In the case of Jnani also, after the Prarabdha is over, Bija, Ajnana is not there. Still he will be taking birth, which is absurd as far as the Shastra is concerned. So therefore it is proved beyond any trace of doubt that Sadeva Somedamagarasi, that Sad is what? Along with the Bija, Karana or Srishti. Karana, Srishti. This is further justified by explaining the role of Atma Jnana. We'll see next time.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ